under the curse. All right, YouTubes. I got a call for a makeup table down. Let's get in there and take a look. The kids over there are cracking up on the license plate, the Vangina license plate. They're all laughing. I love it. I'll grab some gauges and Mr. Tipo. Oh, third screw. Pluggo Buggo. Mega Pluggo coil. Oh, update on the Sunjo. I did get the new the warranty return Sunjo. I just haven't put it on the van yet, but I do have it. It's at home, so I'm gonna swap them out, and I'll put the Sunjo back on the truck and give the Rinse Kit Pro a break. I don't even know if the battery's all the way charged up on this one, but I'm gonna give her a go. We'll see how we make out. That's where the Sunjo is nice with the changeable batteries. Although the battery on this lasts a long time, but it's not swap outable. Let's go wash that coil out.